I'm gonna show you how to make over $1,000 a day with this viral affiliate marketing strategy. This money-making method is completely free and doesn't require any investment. It's also available worldwide and doesn't require you to have any sort of fancy skills or experience. All you need is your device, internet connection, and the step-by-step instructions that I'm about to lay out for you in this short video. So be sure to pay close attention to every single money-making minute, as well as the amazing bonus tips and recommendations that I'll be dropping right up until the end. Just before we look at this marketing system that can help you transform your bank account, be sure to show us some love for our amazing content that we put loads of work into by liking this video, subscribing, and turning your notifications on. Also, please don't hesitate to leave us a comment with any thoughts or questions that you might have. We're more than happy to address them. And if you're looking for more beginner-friendly ways to make money online, just click the first link and you can get access to a done-for-you software that helps you go from $0 to $500 a day as a beginner. But please keep in mind that this is only available for the first 25 people who click the first link in the description and sign up. So if it's still available, you can get access to a done-for-you system and see the best way to make money online. Anyways, let's get back to the tutorial. So the first thing you want to do is go over to CPAlead.com and sign up as an advertiser for free. Once you create an account, you're going to be able to log in, and now what you want to do is start scrolling down a little bit, and there you can find all sorts of different offers that you can promote from CPA Lead. So as you can see, most of these offers are just CPA offers, which stands for cost per action. So they pay you when someone completes an action. In most cases, you're going to get paid $1 or $2 per email that is submitted. So visitors are going to enter their email address and you're going to be paid for that. And most of the time, these offers are like sweepstakes and giveaways. So people have a chance to win something when they enter their email address. Now I'm going to filter my search by offer types. So I want to find some giveaway offers. For example, this is a GoPro 8 and an iPhone 13 giveaway promotion, and it's better to go for technology and the latest technology because that gets more clicks and higher conversion rates and pays the highest. So whenever you know that a new tech product is being released, you know this is the perfect time to promote a related giveaway. You can actually preview the sales page that you're promoting by clicking on the preview button here, and you can grab your affiliate link by copying this link over here. As you can see, this link might look a bit long and unattractive, so you just want to shorten the URL using a site like Cutly or Bitly. So just copy and paste your affiliate link here and then keep that shortened URL. Now you want to go to canva.com and click on Create a Design. And we are looking for this category, which is going to be like a Twitter post. Now, the next thing you want to do is go to Google and search for like iPhone 13 Pro PNG. And you are really just looking for an image of the giveaway product you are giving away without a background. Then you want to just click on any of these images that look high quality, copy it, and go back to Canva, and you just want to paste it right here. Now, this is the actual time-consuming part. So if you can get through this, then you're good to go. And it's not even really that hard. It's actually quite fun. So you basically just play around on Canva and create a very simple image with giveaway instructions. I've actually already done this, so I'm not going to bore you. You can literally just copy and paste what I have written here and tweak it and adjust it however you like, depending on if you want to personalize it or if your giveaway is different. For every giveaway you promote, you just want to go to Google once again and search for something like GoPro 8 and enter PNG. So you are going to get an image without any background. For example, this is a GoPro 8 picture for a GoPro 8 giveaway offer. And I would do the same for another product. Now, this is the image that we are looking for right now. The iPhone 13 Pro 2022 giveaway with a free iPhone 13 Pro. To enter the free giveaway, follow these steps. Retweet this post on your feed, tag one friend who would love to win the iPhone 13 Pro, click on the link in the bio to submit your entry. You must complete all the steps, and then this is like a secret hack. One entry every 24 hours. So this is an image you want to download or recreate. Now click on Share, and you want to pretty much download it right here and click on the Download Now. When it downloads, this is what it will look like, and I'm just going to preview the image. Now, what you want to do is you want to copy this shortened CPA link and go to Twitter. By the way, you don't need to have a huge Twitter presence, and you don't need a bunch of followers. You can even create a brand new Twitter account just for promoting giveaways, if that's better for you. And don't worry, I have a couple of tricks up my sleeves for getting a lot of traffic. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to the bio and you want to add your affiliate link right here. So this is going to be called iPhone 13 Pro Summer Giveaway, and add the link right here. Okay, so this would be the bio description, and this is how it's going to look like. Now, the next thing you want to do is pretty much post this on your timeline. So, iPhone 13 Pro giveaway, hope I win, or something like that. So it's clear that you are not the organizer, because it wouldn't make any sense if you were to organize this giveaway, as you are not Apple or selling Apple products yourself. So just phrase it like you are participating in the giveaway yourself. Then add the image right here, and you want to tweet this. This is what it's going to look like. Now, this alone is not going to get you any traffic. Once people see this, they are going to retweet this. They are going to try it out. That's what will get you traffic. However, we are looking for that beginning stage of traffic, and this is exactly how to actually do it. All you have to do is just go to this tool, which is called phantombuster.com, and this is going to do a Twitter auto follow. What this is going to do is it's going to follow people on Twitter automatically for you 24/7. Now, all you have to do is just click on Start a Free Trial right here. You want to create a free account, start a free trial, and then what you want to be doing is following people of Apple or any of the brands that you are giving away the product from. And then you just want to be following the people that are actually retweeting the posts. These are the most active fans, the most active followers who are going to check out your profile, and chances are they are going to check out your giveaway. And when they're going to click on the link in the bio and they are going to complete the CPA offer, you are going to get paid a chunk of change over and over again. And just because they see there is one entry every 24 hours, because that's how often you can get a CPA conversion from the same exact person. Then they're going to be doing this on a daily basis, and you can actually get more money per person. And you can just do this exact process for multiple giveaways and different CPA offers. It's super easy to do. And that's it for today's video. If you've learned something new today, then be sure to like this video, comment your thoughts and questions down below, and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you never miss out on another amazing money-making method. I'll see you next time.